Well, hello, welcome to Money with Mark Albert. So happy you're with me today. Today we have a Bank of Canada rate announcement, today being December the 4th. And for all you Star Wars fans who are anticipating the next release of a Star Wars movie on December the 20th, may the December Force be with you. And today's happened to be my birthday, so December 4th is my birthday. So as you're watching this video, if you were to comment anything, wishing me happy birthday would make my day. So anyway, I just want to share that with you. We're going to talk about the Bank of Canada, however, on this video. Next year, the Bank of Canada, they're going to have 8 rate announcements. And I just want to point out a few things. Is what they tend to do is in the springtime, when we get into the real estate market, they have back-to-back, month-to-month real estate, March and April, where they're going to make rate announcements. And then in the fall, they do September, October back-to-back. And so that's kind of strategic, I feel, because depending on what's going on in the real estate market, this can help, or they may want to suppress the market if it's too hot, having too big of an impact on the economy. So what they decided to do is they decided to maintain the rate. So they're maintaining at 1.75%. In fact, it's been there all year at 1.75. So here we've got the last 9 rate announcements going into 2018, and they've maintained the rate the whole time. The last time that there was a rate change was October and July of last year, and both times they increased the rate 0.25%. So in this time frame here in the United States, what they did is the Fed is they decreased the rate 3 times, whereas us all year we've been maintaining the rate. So we've had a different perspective, a different economic situation in Canada slightly, so that's just how that worked out. So let's talk about what the Bank of Canada feel globally. So what they said in their press release is they felt that there's an emerging evidence, so right at the forefront, the beginning kind of leading indicators that the global economy is stabilizing, with growth still expected to edge higher over the next couple of years. So this next couple of years, globally speaking, lines up well with what they're feeling in Canada over the next 2 years, because they feel we're going to be at our 2% inflationary target, which is good for the Canadian economy. So that's kind of where they feel that we're going to be at in Canada as well. But this is a positive outlook for the global economy. Ongoing trade conflicts and related uncertainty are still weighing on the global economic activity, and it remains the biggest source of risk. As they look out, the outlook into the future, biggest source of risk. So if the trade wars, they go bad, then you're going to probably see that it's going to create a more unstable global economy. So in Canada, they feel that what the data is telling them is that consumer spending expanded moderately, and that was underpinned by strong wage growth. So that's positive, right? Another positive is on the housing investment. It was also a source of strength, supported by population growth, primarily the growth being immigration, and then the low mortgage rates. So the 5-year fix has been very, very low, and over the last year and a half, it's just continually dropped. And right now, very easy to get a 5-year fixed mortgage at under 3%, which is good, and that's helped to continue to support strength to the Canadian economy. Exports, they contracted, so that'd be on the negative side, and investment spending showed strong growth, particularly in transportation equipment and engineering projects. So a very positive outlook in Canada, and their outlook globally is also very positive, and that's why they maintain the rate. And they feel in the next 2 years, 2020, 2021, that the inflationary target will be at that 2% rate, which is where they want it to be. And again, you know, we got the next one. We'll see if their outlook gets modified a little bit, but in January 22nd, set yourself a reminder by clicking the notification, subscribe and hit the notification for a notice. So when this comes up, I will do another video. In fact, all next year I'll do videos on all those dates. So please subscribe. Wish me happy birthday if you want. Listen, I'm so glad that you're with me. I trust it's a valuable use of your time. Have yourself a wonderful day, and look forward to being with you another time in the future.